Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have the Walgreens preview for the week of July the 26th to August the 1st. I found some cheap stuff already right off the bat, and we're going to talk about the FIFA merchandise that's also $1 here in a quick second because I know a lot of you are curious about that. So we also have this booster, which is a 10 back when you spend 45. Select accounts got it, and if you didn't get it, you're probably going to get a paper booster in store. These are always really fantastic when we get them. So probably on Sunday, I'm going to show you guys a $45 basket to go with this, so you can have $10 to spend on a future purchase. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 26th. And again, as I was discussing, the World Cup, the FIFA merch, that includes hats, shirts, hoodies, they are marked down to $1. Now, I know that some markets it's not the case, but most are $1. I know a lot of you buy a lot of clothing to donate to homeless shelters. These hoodies would be fantastic for the winter time, along with the hats. So I would definitely get out to Walgreens, see what they might have, because these shirts and hoodies, I know a lot of people are really all about that. So I would definitely sooner than later. If you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video if you can like it. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first deal we're going to talk about is the Excedrin Rapid Relief for $6.49. And if you look in the ad, it looks like the 20 counters are part of it that are $6.49 over at Walgreens. That 5 back when you buy 2 is in fact a store coupon. So we have a 6 off of 2 coupon currently for this product. So grabbing 2 of them for $12.98, subtracting the coupon, you'll pay $6.98, get back a $5 store register reward. So you can't use that with a booster because it's like using Walgreens cash if it says store at the very top. It makes it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Excedrin Rapid Relief. I would definitely grab these. You know what? I had a migraine yesterday, and I had a couple. So it's a really great product, especially if you like that rapid relief or like, just quick. It's great. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Now we have a deal on the $4.99 Bounce Downy Tide Laundry Care. For this, you're going to grab a nice assortment, one of each. We have dollar digital coupons for each laundry care product. So 4 of them would be $19.96. Subtracting that $4 digital, like $1 for each product, you're paying $15.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, alternatively, if you're more of a Gain fan, there is the softener, the beads, the dryer sheets, the pods, the liquid, the this, the that for $4.99 with dollar digitals. $4 reward when you buy 4, a little bit different than the fancier Tide. 4 of these laundry care products, again, is $19.96. Subtracting $4 digital coupons because you're grabbing an assortment, you're paying $15.96, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $19.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you wanted to do like 2 massive laundry hauls because the register rewards are different prices, you would be at like close to $39. So for a spend 45 to earn back 10, you're very close. So that's just an option if you wanted to load up on 8 laundry care products. And guess what's back? We have the $3.50 Crest and Oral-B products with a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you purchase 3. Grabbing 3 tubes of the Crest at $3.50 each, that's $10.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is a stock-up price. I'm also very delighted to see this Palmolive deal back with a 75-cent digital coupon and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. Palmolive House here, love it over Dawn. There we go, I just said it. So 2 of these would be $5.98. Subtracting that 75-cent digital, you're going to pay $5 $23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.23 for the 2 or $1.11 per Palmolive. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. These are the larger containers too. They're not the itty bitty 5-ounce bottles of Dawn, so definitely a great deal. Pantene shampoo at $5.49, grabbing 3 of them. I think we're going to have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. That 6 off is probably going to be through the $20 more expensive line. But grabbing 3 of the cheapies at $5.49, it's $16.47. Subtracting that $3 coupon, you're going to pay $13.47. Get back a $4 register reward for buying 3, making it $9.47 for the 3 or $3.15 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Dove body wash, there is no particular deal with that, but we have a 6 off a 2 digital coupon. If this is attaching to the clearance summer Dove or the Dove FIFA, if there's any left, these are 50% off at $4.99. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it would be $9.98. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per Dove. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Considering we were like, start the car for $1.50 a couple weeks back, I think $1.99 is still a respectful price point for this body wash. Now, if there is an IBOTTA or a fetch rebate for Old Spice or Olay, this deal could get even better. $8 Old Spice body wash with an $8 reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these for $24, subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back an $8 register reward, 11 for 3 or $3.66 per. If there is an IBOTTA or a fetch rebate, even better. But if you wanted to put this in a spend 45 to earn back 10 basket, well, I mean, this would be a huge part of it, right? If you're going to do this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you're going to use a booster, obviously you have to use your debit card for the balance. Now, the ladies' deal for this is with the Olay and an $8 reward when you buy 3. Over on IBOTTA, there is $1.50 back for the bar soap, the ribbons, and the regular. That's $4.50 back with IBOTTA. If you have not signed up for this app, sign up today because they're giving us money every other week with these deals. So grabbing an assortment of the ribbons, the body wash, and the bar soap, that would be $24 because they're $8 per. Subtracting that 5 off a 3 digital coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back an $8 register reward. If those IBOTTA rebates are still in fact there, you're going to get $4.50 back from IBOTTA, making it $6.50 for the 3 or $2.16 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you were going to do a $45 basket, this would be absolutely ideal. Okay, now we're looking at the $6 Hello or Colgate's with the 6 off a 2 digital coupon, $5 reward when you purchase 2 of these. This is a last week deal. So if you didn't use the coupon, you can still participate. 2 of the Hello toothpastes for $12. Subtracting that giant coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per toothpaste. This is a stock up price, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that I forgot to do that I think is absolutely fantastic is on the OGX. That's buy one, get one 50% off with a 4 off a 2 coupon and a $4 reward when you purchase 2. 2 of these at $9.99, buy one, get one 50% off would be $14.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $10.98, get back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per OGX. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have those $3 peelies, it's even better deal. So go and make this one happen. Okay, class, before I take off, we're going to talk about the honorable mentions. The first one goes to this 2 for $10 for the Lysol wipes. So it's $1.79 of savings with back to school right around the corner. If you might have those store register rewards from Excedrin or cough drops, throw one of those in with $5 of Walgreens cash and you're getting these 80 counters very cheap of the Lysol wipes. Also have the buy one, get one free for the Walgreens aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and parchment paper. Not a bad little deal, especially if you're enjoying that last month of summer and grilling, because I know a lot of us do. So definitely stock up when it's BOGO free. $4.49 for these Airwick, the plug or the just the plug and oil. We have a $3 digital, making it $1.49 if there is any left. And we're trying to do that $45 basket. This would be quite ideal. If we can finesse a deal for this, probably curbside of the spend 20 to earn back 10 on Nivea, especially if there might be some sort of IBOTTA rebate or something to go with. We'll definitely look at this a little more closely next week. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.